Hey guys, Ozgrillis here. Today we're going to talk about how to diversify your content without burning out. Let's do it. Alright guys, first things first, a little bit about this channel is we do streaming tutorial videos. We do how to grow your channel videos, OBS tutorials, Streamlabs, OBS tutorials, everything streaming really. So make sure you hit that sub button, check out the rest of the videos on this channel, and we'll get into it. Cheers. Alright, if you're watching me, I'm pretty sure you've watched plenty of other YouTube channels that have information and advice about streaming. And you've probably heard a lot, diversify your content to other channels, to other platforms. And I've said it myself plenty of times, and I've fallen victim to this plenty of times. There's a video by Ashley Christ, which is linked below, that just came out the other day, which is saying probably focus more on a couple platforms rather than being on every platform. I definitely agree with that sentiment as well. It changed my mind on the whole topic, so you don't burn out or make a little bit of content on each platform when you could be making a lot on two platforms. One technique I'm thinking about here on how to diversify your content, which is probably a little bit different to what Ashley was saying, is that you still can go on all platforms. So you look at your analytics, you work out which platform's working the best, and that's the one where you focus most of your energy to. And then the other ones you still need to post to. But as you see, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram, you can post the same or very similar videos to all of them. So my tip for this would be to check out a YouTube channel with a really quick and easy free tutorial on how to edit your clips, and then slowly change them for each platform. So you'd have one for Twitter, one for TikTok, one for Instagram Reels, and they're all going to be the same base clip, you know, it's slightly different to suit each platform's needs. And that way, it's only going to take you a couple of minutes to get it on all platforms instead of focusing on spreading it out. And then for the platform that is going the best for you, what you would do is put more of your time into that, or make that one the one you spend the most time editing on that video, while the other ones are kind of just copies of that video, but still there to help you get that interaction as well, which will make you grow. And diversifying your content will become that much easier, and you'll have less burnout. I know plenty of times I've been trying to post everywhere, and it just ends up with me being dissatisfied with the results and being burnt out, which then results in the platforms you're actually going good on. It makes them suffer as well. So as Ashley said in her video, try and focus on the one or two platforms, but also still stay in the game. I think just try and make it easier for you so you don't burn out and you're not spending all this time making content everywhere, but you're not really making that much content at all. For example, I just started on my Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. I'm just going to post a really quick 15-second video each day with a different stream tip, and that's literally going to take me like 2-3 minutes max to maybe shoot it and then post it, and then that's it for the day for that. And that's a bit of content everywhere, and you can post that same video to all three of those platforms as well. So you're getting a little bit of clips out there each day, which will help with your growth and also help with your consistency. So that's why I'm doing that one. You check that out, follow me on Twitter or TikTok or Instagram, whatever. All the links are below, and so that's another little technique there that I'm putting into play. Just started today actually, so check those out. Yeah, but that is my tip to diversify your content without burning out. Make sure you check out Ashley's video on it. I've said it like 3 times now, but check it out. It's a great video. And thank you guys. Cheers. Thanks so much guys for watching the video. If you liked it, please give it the thumbs up. Share it to your friends. It'd be very much appreciated. If you can give that sub to that channel, I would love it very much. You guys are awesome helping the channel grow. I appreciate it all. Cheers.